Hello everyone, and welcome to this episode of Angel's Travel Unravel. So in this episode we're actually going to be swapping out the side rock rails that came with my Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Winter Edition, and we're going to be swapping them out for some rock rails slash side steps. The reason for that is because it's going to make it a lot easier for my wife to get into the Jeep. And how you do that is really simple. You'll see in this time lapse, you're really just looking for 3 bolts that are a 1/2-inch socket, which are here, and then 6 nuts, which you're going to just kind of screw off of the frame. The process, like I said, is relatively simple. All you have to do is unbolt and then bolt on the side steps that I purchased off Amazon. Now I'll post a link in the description of these side steps. They were relatively cheap. They're very hollow. I understand that the quality is not as good as the OEM rock rails that I have, but the rock rails that come with the Winter Edition are just not practical as a side step, especially if I lift this thing in the next couple of years. I'm gonna need something to really prompt up not just my passengers but eventually myself as well. So this is the process of us removing them and swapping them out. I hope you guys enjoy it. Of course, any questions, feedback, comments, please please subscribe. We'll be more than happy to respond to your inquiries in regards to questions about this product. Thanks, guys.